Good morning, everyone. Happy Research Day. This is the part 3 of our discussion on the making of introduction in your research paper. But before that, for those who are new to this channel, I want you to subscribe and then hit the notification bell so that if I have new videos relating to writing research in education, you will always be notified. So, this time, ang gagawin natin, no, to complete your introduction is gagawin natin ang pinakahuling element ay ang justification. So, justification will tell the purpose, no, why you wanted to conduct the study. So, again, let's proceed to Gemini, and we are still on the research title, Customer Preferences and Satisfaction Among Tea Shops in Butuan City. Okay, so last discussion, we had the importance of the study, the legal basis, then the presentation of the gaps, international in scope, Philippine context, and then zero in to our local, which is Butuan City. So this time, we are going to lay down, no, the justification. Of course, you should have to make sure that in the presentation of the justification, it will really compel, no, the primary purpose why you wanted to conduct the study. Okay, so um, ito yung gagawin natin, no? Sundan nyo lang ako. So, based from the title above, provide a paragraph that will state the justification why this study will be conducted, or a compelling paragraph showing the reason of conducting this study. Relate this also no, from the course business research of the um, business administration no, so that we have to make sure of our spelling, administration major in marketing students. Okay, and then let us try to click the prompt. Okay, so now you are now given a paragraph that compels, no, why there is a need to conduct the study. Okay, so in this case, this complete, no, our introduction. So the next thing that we are going to do is ililipat natin ito doon sa word copy. So yung gagawin natin, okay, so we have to open a Microsoft Word file. Okay. Bakit kaya ang tagal? So, dito na lang tayo. Open natin to, and then, okay yan, no? However, we have to open a new file, new document, and then lagyan natin ng okay, chapter 1, and then the problem and its setting. Okay, so we have to adhere to the format of the institution. Okay, this is Arial 12, no? Dapat talaga Arial. And then, okay, 12 na yan. And then dapat, okay, we have to see the paragraph. Okay, dapat naka-double space yan. Okay, yan. Okay, and then, we have to make this bold, no? Kasi heading siya. And then, the first side heading is our introduction. In writing an introduction, it is also bold. However, only I is the capital. Okay. So, we have to make sure of the margin. So, punta tayo doon sa layout. And then, i-custom natin yung margin. So, dapat yung left, yung left side is 1.5 inches. Intended yan para sa binding. Okay yan. So, ang gagawin natin, balik na tayo doon sa Gemini, and then, okay. So, gawin lang natin, we are going to copy this one. Okay. So, yan. Okay, we have to change again the, anong tawag dito, no? Dapat naka-12 yan. Tapos naka-Arial, and then dapat naka-justify para maganda ang magandang tingnan. Okay, so yan. Okay, so we have now our first paragraph. At this actually entails the importance. So balik tayo doon sa Gemini. Let's try to get this legal basis. Okay, and then yan. Okay. So, later, babaguhin natin yung, tawag dito, yung font, size, and style. Okay, kopyahin na muna natin sila lahat. Okay, the presentation of the gap. This one. Just simply copy and paste. No, just simply copy and paste. Okay. Paiba-iba na ang kanyang font size. Pero later, we have to make sure na pare-pareho talaga yan sila lahat. Okay. Yes. So, no, ganito lang talaga kasimple ang paggawa ng research with the aid of the internet and of course the AI. So that's why I always emphasize this to my students na AI, we have to be responsible enough on the use of AI. No? Kasi sa Grammarly ngayon, nadidetect na kung ilang percent ng AI ang content ng iyong writings. Okay, no? Sige. We have to change this. Okay. 12 yan. And then, Arial para lahat na. And then, pagkatapos, ito na yon, no? On the market. And then, okay, zooming in or gawin na lang natin na in the context of Butuan City. And then, okay. So, how many pages are there? So, pasok tayo doon sa banga na when you are going to make an introduction, maximum of 3 pages. Okay. So, if you try to look at this, we already done with our introduction. We also adhere to the elements necessary to complete this introduction. So, no, thank you so much for watching everyone, and I hope you gain a lot, no, from this tutorial or from this discussion. So, after this one, it's now your turn to make your introduction, and this will be our first output next week, no? This will be our first workshop, and of course, the product of the workshop is the output, and your output that you are going to submit is the complete introduction of your decided title. Thank you so much for watching. God bless everyone and stay safe.